right? Starkiller is powering up and the fleet's here to blow it to bits. That gives us a distraction so we can free our people. Everyone in the Order is locked away in this monster. We'll head for the detention block and smash what we can along the way. First targets are the fuel supply and this sector's turbo laser. Plant explosive charges and don't get caught.
Made it to the turbo laser! Charge is set!
Stay with the turbo laser. Countdown nearing 0.
Securing the fuel supply. Readying charges.
Demolition team's doing good. Fuel supply nearly ready to blow. All targets secure. We're heading deeper. Cut us a path through those troopers, huh? Battle's heating up in space. Down here too. Head for the main gate, secure the area, and we'll proceed inside the base.
First order reinforcements arriving. It's only one person.
I'm here. Taking the gate.
Anyone who holds the gate, you're a blasted hero. Main gate is secure. Clear those troopers and grab your bag. Last stop coming up. Detention block's not far. Override the cell door and inner gate controls and we rescue our people. If we survive, we'll brag for months. Good. Guard the controls. Let the override run.
Elite First Order agent on site.
Inner gate is open. Now free our people from the cells.
Sidearm grenade! Overriding the cell door control!
Accessing detention cell doors. Running override.
Trying to open the cell doors!
Stay right there. Protect the override.
You're not gonna like this! We've accessed the cell controls!
Our people must know we're coming by now.
Cell door override halted!